Fish on, guys. Oh, fish on. Oh, barra. Yeah. Which one?
Yes.
Fish on.
Yes.
Fish on, guys. Come on, baby. Yep. Got you now. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel. We at it again on the Nataras. And we here. Look at this sight, guys. We're about to pass this big cruise ship. Look at that. And we're about to head out. And this morning we at it again this morning. We're doing a little bit of trolling, doing a bit of drop lining, and some fishing today, guys. So we out. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. Check it out. We are out here. Look at this, guys. That's what's up. Of course, Ada ship, Ada Luna. That's what's up. Check it out, guys. All right. Cool. Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
That's what's up. Let's go, guys.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Hey, man. That's what's up, dude. Barra, where you at? Over there, somebody licked the top one last week, you know. Yeah, right over there. Yeah, morning time on it. Turn one. You know which time the ship they come in and lick the dock. See thrusters I work. Thrusters I work on the back. See that?
Yeah, man, the guy knows already, man. I'm put him on.
This one now no tugboat, man.
Yeah, man, one come on, man.
No tugboat that. I want to look a pilot boat that. Guide them. The big one with the rubber tire on them. Yeah. One yellow eye. I'm a come from deep, man.
First shot for the day. Grab that yet.
Eh?
How much is there for
Boat tree.
Come on.
But that shrimp, we put on first.
Eh?
Yeah. Yo,
Will you put on what?
no shrimp.
Already. Yeah. I got press already. It's easy to come out by something. I don't know. Then by the pull out by
See, all the top bait's still up on it. Clark dogs. This rough sea is getting to me now. These the waves are swelling like 5 foot, 6 foot. That shit got me today, boy. Fuck, man. Just in the funny. No, sir. In the funny, no? thought we had fish on, guys. That's swim, man. Not yet. I need to buy one of these short rods though. Look out. Big dip a while ago.
Aye. How did I know?
No, sir. Get this one earlier, I feel much better.
Then sweetie.
No man,
Then
salt.
peanut them.
I forget about them totally.
That is salt tonight, bro. You don't know it. We can't.
Which one?
You're right. Yes.
Fish on.
Yes.
Fish on, guys. Come on, baby. Yep. Got you now. Fish on. That's what's up, guys. Work you, baby. That's right. I don't need no gas, man. I don't need no gas. Yeah. Yeah. Nice barrel, guys. Woof, woof. I knew you would have did that. You're a bad fella, huh? You got one of them? Yeah. Single circular hook, the body you fuck. Inline circular hooks, you know, yam. Look at that swim in that water.
Yeah. It's like a fish. Ah, so when you grab it so, fuck him. That's
Hook.
what you do.
Two hook the on your weight. One I hook each up right now. And I make a rocker when time moving. I am my wait man to make him turn done. So I can put up, you know, and hitch up back in the line.
Over here the barrel and they do it now.
Eh?
Over them place.
I tell you, they not calm. They don't like they not rough.
Oh.
And they fuck them fast, you know, man.
What? Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. We just got ourselves a barrel. A little small one, but he's good. He can go home.
And good.
Well, I was gonna think say you're dead already. You're not dead yet. Yeah, alright. Don't worry, man. Frying pan will reach your ass later.
What do you mean?
Hey, come here. You have no feel. Can't believe it's just one bar of grab on so far. Eh? Yeah, true. Alright, shore fishing. This is the catch for the day. And my damn scaler is rusted up. I gotta get a new one. But it don't seem to be giving me any more trouble, but this is it. The sea was very rough today. I even got seasick. So we caught some small snappers. Not the biggest in the world, but we was blessed with food. That's the greatest thing. Yeah, guys, at least my Sunday dinner is secured. Know that for sure. So I'll get these pins and stuff off of these guys first before I start cleaning them up so I don't stick myself with bones. But I got real seasick, guys, and started vomiting, so I had to stop the video and like halfway in. This was when I started going home back to the dock here is where I actually got back my wind. So what I'm doing here, guys, is cleaning up the snapper, getting them gut and scaled and getting them cleaned up so I can get them home, get them back in the cooler and get them home. So I caught myself dinner today, guys, so that's the greatest thing. Yeah, these guys are small, but they came from so deep. Kind of hard for you to let them go after they come back. Coming so deep, guys. Yeah, I normally use the scissors and trim them up first. Yeah, my scale is all fucking rusted. Huh? Oh man, we didn't get much today, man. Next time. think this barra made my 4th barra for the year so far. I'm counting. Just go and rub them, yeah.
Sunday we go back again now. Fuck them up.
Weather is better, so
Huh?
weather is better.
Yeah, next week weather is gonna be way better. And the fishing bite in the biting charts.
Yeah.
The fishing for today and tomorrow, for Monday and Tuesday is supposed to be crazy.
Yeah, it looks it.
You know, see big top on them, some come with us. Big top on them where there, some rotted monster there, but I don't see them found when.
Then they're good eating fish when I put them
When they come up,
slice them.
you want to see someone come up here and eat the food, the guts them. You want to see their size.
Gone round in a lagoon.
They did, yeah. One more cast before I leave on the soft plastic. Let's see what's up, guys. There's a barra rushed my line last time here someplace. See if he's under there. Hey guys, so let's try out this little spot. It's famous for barras. Got a whole bunch of barracudas that be hanging out here. Not the biggest ones, but you grab yourself something. Oh, a little puffer fish right there. All the way over there, guys. Fish on, guys. Oh, fish on. Oh, barra. He went on the line. Oh, he got off. Shit. Ah, that son of a gun got away, guys. He got it. He got hooked a while ago. He let it go. My line got chafed on there. Line got caught on the fence, guys. He took it to the left. This aerial and got away. Got away, guys. Hooked the barra and he got away. Son of a bitch. Hey, one look barrel look while he get where. He jump over a fence and the line get catch on the fence, so I have to pull him up. Catch one barrel and get where look while terrace, brother. Alright. Oh, he brought his rods up. That's a nice pickup. Yeah. Oh, the grey one there. Yeah.